Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering and readying the Momentum 4. Make sure the battery is above 50% or keep it charging via USB-C so pairing won't drop. Turn the headphones on with the power slider and check the LED for pairing mode. Then enable Bluetooth on your PC from settings, or, if you prefer wired, plug a 3.5mm cable or USB-C audio cable into the headphone port and PC. These actions get you into the pairing window quickly. Once the headphones are discoverable, open your PC's Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device, then Bluetooth. You'll see Sennheiser Momentum 4 in the list. Click it to pair and accept any pairing prompts. Make sure Windows selects the headphones as the default output and input device in sound settings. If audio features like ANC or firmware control are missing, install or update audio drivers and the Sennheiser Smart Control app so you can access advanced settings. Finish by confirming the Momentum 4 is set as the default playback and recording device in your PC sound settings. Once done, test audio and microphone in a call or media player. Make sure to open the Sennheiser app to update firmware and tune ANC or EQ for the best experience. If audio fails, try turning Bluetooth off and on, restart the Bluetooth service, or remove and repair the device. These steps resolve most connectivity and driver mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.